Okay, so in this one we want to make a material to kind of contour how deep these cuts and fills are. For this we need to go into the rendering setup. So if we come here to rendering and we go to the render setup and we come to system, we just need to enable legacy 3ds Max support. That's so that the maps, old maps in Max, work in Arnold. Alright, then we can open the material editor, and just in the search by name I'm going to add gradient ramp, which is here. Pop that in there, and then I'm also going to come under the Arnold materials and I'm going to add a standard surface. So within the gradient ramp I can just double click on it and it's pretty much set up the way I want it to be set up, but I do kind of want it to be solid sections so we get a bit more clarity between each colour. So what I can do is just double click on these buckets and I can change it to some sort of red, I guess. Maybe actually you want the lighter colours to start with. Maybe come down here to pale pinks and bring this one down, and you'll need to probably set this up in terms of how much level change you actually have. So that's going to vary for everyone. Okay, so I've set up my gradient ramp there. I can now attach this gradient ramp map to my base colour on my Arnold material. And by default the Arnold material is quite shiny, so I tend to just bring the specular colour down to 0. And now that's ready to apply. I'll just call this one the cut material and drag the dot onto my cut. It's not really showing exactly what I want to see, so that could be for a number of reasons. Under view I could come up here to show materials in viewports as shaded materials with maps or realistic materials with maps. And you're seeing that I am starting to get my gradient ramp appearing with that. I need to make some adjustments, and I also need to add a UVW map to this object. So if I come over here to my modifiers and add UVW, planar is fine, but at the moment it is applying that map in the Z. What I want to do is come over here and apply it in the X. What I also need to do is make that fit to that object. Then I will start to get variation as a kind of a contour plan. I could then come back into this material down here and start to make some adjustments to it. If I wanted to make more white, or bring the red off a little, make that deeper maybe. You have those kind of controls available to you. Yeah, that's kind of cool.